To manage staff notifications and the templates that go out, head to Setup, Notifications, and Staff Notifications. You'll see this page looks very similar to the client notification, and it is, whereas it has different categories related to what templates can be sent out. And everything on here is directed to staff members only. So these do not get sent out to clients at all. These are all internal for staff to use. And you'll notice that we do also have an option to send email, SMS, and push notifications. Push notifications for staff members work a little bit differently, where the push notification for the clients will only be available on the Premium and White Label Achieve app. For staff notifications, push notifications is automatically included for the Elevate Staff app. So the customers will not be charged anything extra to use this. They can definitely turn these on and send push notifications to their staff, obviously given that push notifications is enabled on their devices.